Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my bathroom. Since I recommended a lot of really great waterproof mascaras on my channel, I thought it might be a good idea to create a video and show you how I typically remove my waterproof mascara at the end of the day, because they are very difficult and stubborn to remove. So I have tried many makeup removers, and trust me, not all of them work. There are two new removers that I got from the store today that were on sale that are from L'Oreal and Nivea. Afterwards, I'm gonna dive a little bit more into the other products that I have tried that have either worked or have not worked, just so you get an idea of which products to purchase when you're looking for a remover yourself. Recently, I started using a cotton pad from this Japanese brand. It's called Prepare or something. Containing 70 pieces is around $6. And this is an excellent cotton pad because it is quite thick. It doesn't have any cotton residue. I cheaped out before, and I also purchased some from a dollar store here in Canada called Dollarama. I got this whole pack for $1.25, and there are 100 pieces of these, and these are so bad. Although they are very soft, but right off the bat, taking a piece out of the package, you can see that there's already residues coming out of the thing. So once I wet it and rub it on my face, it's gonna get these cotton stuff all over my face, which I hate so much. So I try to stay away from this kind of cotton pad nowadays, and I use this Japanese one. It's great. I'm going to start off with the L'Oreal Micellar water. They say it's a new product. It's 400 milliliters, and they say it's a complete cleanser, removes longwear makeup, and purifies, even waterproof. I tilt it back and forth to mix it a little bit, and then just wet it, pour it out generously because you do want to put that over your eyes. So I'm gonna remove my left side today with this cotton pad, wet it, and then now what I do is I just hold it there. Soak in for maybe 20 seconds or so. You don't want to rub it back and forth because the lashes are very sensitive and your eyes are also very sensitive. Okay, so after 20 seconds, press it on that and remove. And wow, that's pretty darn good. Actually removed a lot of it. You see that dark line over there? For a lot of the other makeup removers I tried, including a recent one that I've been using, which is the Bobbi Brown Instant Longwear makeup remover, this one is not good at all. Like, I just let it soak there for 20 seconds and nothing comes off. Can take a look at this. So there's a lot of mascara on the bottom, and there's still mascara on my lashes. So I'm still gonna press it in a bit, pressing and rubbing until the waterproof mascara dissolves. Don't let your cotton pad go to waste. Just keep rubbing gently around your eye area, and maybe even bring it down to the rest of your face. Okay, and then I'm gonna try this one. Same like the L'Oreal Micellar water. This one does have two colors. Top part is kind of oily, and the bottom part I think it's more watery. It has blue corn flour. It effectively removes a waterproof mascara and makeup, and it's good for sensitive eye area. Okay, so I'm gonna tilt it, and then I'm gonna take another cotton pad. Let it dissolve. Don't rub it. Keep pressing it. You don't need to press it very hard either. Just make sure the remover on the pad gets in full contact with your lashes. And then remove.
Out of the two, I actually enjoy using the Nivea one more because it was more effective and quicker at removing the makeup.
Normally I would go ahead and use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm just to get a nice rinse. If you want to see how you use this, I have done a comparison video between the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm versus the Pharmacy Green Clean Balm. It will also show you how to use the balm if you have one and you don't know how to use it. I don't like to use makeup wipes because it is so rough on the skin.
In the second part of this video, I'll rank the 2 removers I just tried against 4 other removers I used in the past to remove waterproof and Longwear eyeshadow. First, I swatched L'Oreal Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara on my arm 6 times and numbered them from 1 to 6. I also did the same experiment by swatching Bobbi Brown's Longwear Cream Eyeshadow 6 times. For your information, the order of the products is randomly chosen. Working backwards from number 6, I'm using the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which honestly never disappoints. It gets rid of the mascara quickly and gently. However, just note that using this balm alone on your lashes with waterproof mascara is not going to remove it easily. You will have to use a eye makeup remover first and then use this as a second step based on my experience. If you're trying to remove Longwear eyeshadow or waterproof eyeliner, then using this balm alone will get the job done. Here I want to introduce you to the liquid version of the cleansing balm, which is the Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. It is the most powerful liquid remover I have ever used because it is the only remover that allows me to remove waterproof mascara without the help of a cleansing balm. Since I used up this product, I didn't include this in the video. Next up is Nivea's liquid remover, which I think is very, very close to Clinique's liquid Take the Day Off remover, except it is at drugstore price point. Next is Garnier's Micellar water for waterproof makeup. As you can see here, I am literally rubbing and poking into my skin to try to get the makeup off. So it doesn't work too well and it's causing a rash on my skin. Next is another micellar water from Garnier, which is meant for mattifying oily skin. It removes makeup and purifies pores without harsh rubbing. I think it is unfair for me to put it in here, but you could also use it as a comparison for the waterproof version. So as you can see earlier, it was easier to remove with the waterproof micellar water versus this one. However, in terms of the powerfulness, there are definitely better choices. Next is Bobbi Brown's Instant Longwear Makeup Remover, which is excellent at removing Bobbi Brown's Longwear Cream Eyeshadow Stick. However, it isn't too good at removing waterproof makeup. On my arm, it shows that it's removed pretty quickly. However, I tried it on my lashes and it doesn't really work on my lashes. Last but not least, we have another micellar water from L'Oreal. This one is meant to remove a waterproof makeup, and as shown earlier in the video, it does indeed remove makeup very well. When compared to the Nivea remover though, I still feel like the Nivea one does a better job. In terms of the price though, the L'Oreal micellar water is a better deal than the Nivea remover. In summary, my top 3 favorite removers are Clinique Take the Day Off Balm / Liquid Remover, number 2, Nivea Makeup Remover, and number 3, L'Oreal Micellar Water Remover. I would love to know any tips on how to remove waterproof makeup or other recommendations for makeup removers. Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.